My husband got sent to the house while he's at work. Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Letty here, and it's Friday evening around like 5:30-ish. I'm about to make some brown butter chocolate chip cookies because I just want to bake. You know what I'm saying? I just want to bake, and my husband loves to eat sweets, so I'm pretty sure he'll enjoy this. So let's get to getting. I already got my butter on the stove from the homemade butter we made in the last vlog. So we're gonna brown this butter and do what the recipe on TikTok says. You know what I'm saying? I just poured light brown sugar into the bowl. Now I'm about to pour some white sugar into the bowl. While that is cooling down, because I have to put egg in it, and we don't want to cook the egg, I'm just gonna let this chill out and then make me an iced matcha because I am sleepy. Iced matcha coming soon, like now. Going to place them in the oven on 350 for like 12 minutes now. Good morning, everyone. I have been up and I did some laminations for my candles, semi packed up in order right here, and about to get dressed and go with my husband to get his haircut. So today, I mean, it's kind of like a relaxed day, so we'll see, but let's get it on up, you know what I'm saying? Good morning. It is now Monday. Let's spend the day with me. I haven't picked up the camera since, I want to say Saturday morning, maybe. Don't quote me. I think it was, because I showed you all my labels, my candle labels. I love foiling these. Now if you want a more in-depth tutorial of how I foil these, because I did like research on it, I don't have a reactive foil laminator. I just have a regular like $10-15 laminator that I got off Amazon, and some reactive foil, and I get it done the way I need to get it done. I also don't have a toner printer, which you need, but we do have like a printer in town that I go and get my labels made. I designed these labels. I, sent them over the files in order for them to print them off onto these type of labels. But I am going to water the plants because it is time. I think there's like 4 or 5 that needs to be watered according to the app. It's called Picture This. So you see it's this app right here. That was just my ice maker. But yeah, there's 5 tasks. So my Indian shot, my okra, my parsley, my oregano, which is non-existent, and my tomatoes are ready to be watered. So let's get that done. Side note, this little $5 watering can came from Target, and it has like a little sprayer on it, so I can spray a lot of cars on a Monday morning. But I love to spray these, so now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna just log it. You just log it into the app. So all of these were watered. And then it's like a, I'll show you more in depth. Let me get back inside because these cars are loud. So this app is amazing. I love this app. I paid like $29.99 for the year. So basically like $30 for a full year. And you just, it's called Picture This. And you just put you take a picture. Now, if you're like doing it from germinating seeds, like if you're starting things from the seeds, what the world is that? I'm glad I looked. If you're like starting from the seedlings, you're gonna have to like put this in there manually. But I love it because you can take a picture of, if you like buy plants out of like Home Depot or anything like that are already pre-sprouted for you, and you just need to plant it in a pot or whatever, or repot it. You take a picture and it automatically I can't even think, it automatically recognizes what it is. And then on this app you can diagnose, you can take pictures, get things from an expert, you can explore your area. It actually goes to your area. If you have your location on turned on, it goes to your area and it'll tell you the temperature outside, what you need to do. It has your reminders, which is what reminds me to water or fertilize my plants. It identifies anything that can be wrong, or identifies the type of plant, and it also diagnoses it. So you can, yeah, I love it. So let's say, let me show you. It is just an app that I found very helpful with gardening, starting a patio garden. You don't need a lot of space, you just need like a little bit of space to do it. If you have a balcony or a garden, or a patio, you can do it. Yeah, I really like it. I really like gardening and seeing, because we've been able to harvest some tomatoes, because they're cherry tomatoes. They're like this big, but I really love it. And then we've been able to harvest some rosemary and some parsley and things like that. I could see some growth in the habaneros and the bell pepper, and especially in the okra. The okra has, that was from seedlings. So the okra I showed you watering, I think I watered those second. Those are from, like, we germinated those seeds. Like, they come from out of a pack. So I really like those. Yeah, we're just, I'm gonna take out my strawberries, my frozen strawberries, to let them thaw out a little bit, and my whipped cream out of the freezer to let them thaw out, so I can make my strawberry pretzel surprise. So y'all are gonna see that. Now don't tell nobody my recipe. Don't do that. So I'm gonna make some hibiscus tea. So I'm just gonna heat up some water on the stove. And I'm gonna use my French press to do this. This is what I'm using right here. And we're just gonna pour it in. I like to use about that much. And then I'm gonna wait for my water to start whistling, and then we're gonna pour it in there and let it steep for like 5-10 minutes, and then make some juice, make some ice, whatever. You know, that's be really good with some demi-sec and making me a hibiscus mimosa. But I digress. Like, are you kidding me? Yo, I'm gonna cry. Look what my husband got sent to the house while he's at work. Are you kidding me? I love you too. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. I'm finna get ready to sit down and eat, and that comes to the door. Okay, I see you. Trying to make a thug shed a tear. I guess me and Flower Love Muffin over here gonna eat breakfast together. That's my date for breakfast. I am going to read on the couch for a little bit before I start doing my baking session. And just chill out. Let me know if anybody has read any of this series by LJ Shen. The first one was called Viscious, and the second one is called Ruckus, and this one is like from Sinners of Saints, I guess it's called. But there's Scandalous and Bane. That's next, I believe. But I've really been enjoying it. I ain't even gonna hold you. Yeah, Scandalous and Bane are left. I gotta go get those. But Viscious looks like, I love the fact that the outside cover of the book matches like the page outline, the page border. I really like that. Where is Viscious? This was Viscious. It was an introduction, but to be fair, this book may seem thick, but it has another, I want to say the prequel to this, which is Defy. It has a prequel to this, and then it has in the back it has the beginning chapters of Ruckus. So don't be fooled by the thickness of this, because it's not. But I love the fact that the cover matches the outlines of the pages. Let me know if anybody feels this, but I don't know if I want to read right now. I said I do, but I don't know. This second book is not captivating me as much as Viscious did. Viscious like really took it off, but this, I don't know. Ruckus is not, I don't know. It's not doing something. But I'm about to like probably watch Hallmark and then get up and start making my Strawberry Pretzel Surprise, because it needs to be done. I don't know if my cousin is coming. So my grandma is surprising my cousin with one of his favorite desserts from me. He loves my Strawberry Pretzel Surprise, and he loves my macaroni and cheese. He loves those two. Now, he's tasted other things like my cornbread. He loves that too. But the main thing that he always asks for at every function is the Strawberry Pretzel Surprise and the macaroni and cheese. But like I said, I like to self-care with me first, and I'm about to, you know, watch some TV, watch some Hallmark.